Although there are thousands of GIFs available on various databases and social networks, you may find yourself wanting to create your own custom animated images. If you're looking for a way to make GIFs, look no further. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create GIFs in 3 different ways: using Photoshop, using GIPHY's GIF-maker, and using other free online GIF makers. Now let's get started. The first method I'll be showing you is how to create a GIF in Adobe Photoshop. To start, launch Photoshop on your computer. If you don't have this software on your computer yet, you can download a free trial. A link to the download page will be listed in the description box. Now, begin creating a new project by clicking Create New. Now we'll import a video clip to turn into a GIF. Click File at the top. In the menu that appears, hover your cursor over Import, then select Video Frames to Layers. Locate the clip you want to use, then click Open. If you'd only like to import a portion of the video, click and drag the trim controls to adjust what part of the video is selected. Then click OK. At the bottom of the Photoshop window, you should see a section labeled Timeline. If it's not there already, click Window and select Timeline. To preview your animation, click Play. Now you can make any adjustments as you see fit. Adjust the timing of a frame, remove frames to make the animation shorter, or any other changes you want to make. When you're happy with how it looks, you can export it. Click File. Move your cursor over Export, then click Save for Web. In the Export window, click Save. Choose where you want to store the file on your computer, then click Save. Next, I'll show you how to use GIPHY's GIF-maker. To start, open your web browser and go to giphy.com/create/GIF-maker. On the main GIF creation screen, you'll be presented with 3 different creation options: upload images to make a GIF slideshow, import a video clip, or paste a URL from YouTube or Vimeo. Depending on the source you'd like to use, choose the option that applies to you. I'll be creating a slideshow of photos. Depending on what you've selected, the next steps to create your animation will vary. Follow the instructions on your screen to finish making your GIF. Once you've created your GIF, click Continue to Decoration. Here, you'll have the option to add text, stickers, and filters. Dress up your GIF however you'd like. When you're finished, click Continue to Upload. On the next page, click Upload to GIPHY. Once the upload is done, you'll be taken to the GIPHY page for the image you created. To save it to your computer, click Download. Next to Social, click the blue Download button. The file will be saved in your computer's Downloads folder. Besides the 2 methods I just showed, you can also use other online GIF makers. Some great ones to check out include imageflip.com, gifmaker.me, and easygif.com. These 3 are free and super easy to use. If you'd like to make higher quality animated images, check out Flixel's Cinemagraph Pro software for iOS and Mac. Once you've created your GIF and saved it to your computer, you can share it on your social media like Facebook and Twitter, or attach it in an email to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.